What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy a domain with Google Domains. So first off, go to Google or any web browser and type in domains.google. After typing, you will see this type of interface. So here this page tells us about the agreement between the Google and the Squarespace. So basically, all these Google domains are available from Squarespace. So you will see this type of uh, blue link of Squarespace. Just click on it, and then you can buy a domain from here. For example, I am searching how to make, not .com or anything, just simply write how to make and then hit enter. So here it automatically shows that I can buy different domains from all these. And if I want to load more, I can just simply click here and it will load more and more domains for different types of prices. So for example, if you want to just buy this .com domain, just click on the shop and then you can check out. So after adding to cart, it says to create your account. So I have entered my name, my email, and my password. I'll just hit continue. So as you can see here, it shows the order summary that how much will the domain cost and what is the total cost. And then you can just save and continue the details and just register the domain name and enter your address and then do the payment. Then you will be able to use this domain. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching.